Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're scratching your head over the F3E2 error code on your Whirlpool washing machine, you're in the right place. This common issue can be a real headache, but don't worry. I'm here to break it down step by step so you can get your laundry routine back on track. Let's dive in. First things first, what does the F3E2 error mean? In Whirlpool machines, this code typically signals a problem with the water pressure system. It often relates to the pressure switch not detecting the correct water level, which could be caused by low water pressure from your home supply, a blocked inlet valve, or even a faulty sensor. This error was updated in the 2025 models to provide more precise diagnostics, making it easier to troubleshoot. Now, before we jump into fixes, remember safety first. Always unplug your machine and turn off the water supply to avoid any accidents. Okay, let's get to the troubleshooting steps. Start by checking your water supply. Ensure the faucet is fully open and that there's no kink in the inlet hose. If your home's water pressure is low, that might be the culprit. Try running other faucets to test it. Next, inspect the inlet hose and filter for any blockages. Over time, debris like lint or mineral buildup can clog things up. If you find any, clean it out carefully. Once that's done, reset your machine by unplugging it for at least 2 minutes. This simple reboot can clear temporary glitches and might make the error disappear. If the problem persists, it could indicate a more serious issue, like a defective pressure switch or a malfunctioning water level sensor. In that case, it's time to call in a professional technician to avoid causing further damage. They have the tools to diagnose and fix underlying electrical or mechanical problems. Wrapping this up, dealing with the F3E2 error doesn't have to be overwhelming. By following these steps, you could resolve it yourself and save some cash. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Thanks for watching, and happy washing.